So good morning students. So what is the use of NoSQL database? Why we have to learn NoSQL database we are going to see. First we will see what is DBMS and what is RDBMS. Then you will easily understand what is the use of NoSQL database. So those are new to the subject. Let me just collect a few definitions. What is mean by a database? A database is nothing but an organized collection of structured data through which you can retrieve the data, store the data, update the data in the database. So now what are the applications of database we use? We use this database applications to manage data in a structured manner. Even small organizations create their own software to maintain or handle their employee details, stock details, and the mailing list details. Big companies also use database system for data manipulation. Common applications of database are like CRM, attendance management systems, etc. So now coming to RDBMS, relational database system is specifically configured for a relational database. This RDBMS is also known as an advanced version of DBMS or a subset of DBMS, right? So this relational database uses a structured table like rows and columns. This makes the user easy to access a particular value inside the stable structure. Our DBMS is relational so that the data value and entries in such table in the database are also associated with each other. The table might be interlinked to each other in the database system, and it is a relational structure so that it helps the user to run or command the queries over tables at a time. Most famous RDBMS programs will fall under into some categories like with the vendors like Oracle, MySQL, IBM DB2, and the Microsoft SQL Server, and some of the applications which run is in the form of SQL, that is structured query language, which is used to deal with your relational database. So now coming to NoSQL, what is mean by NoSQL? NoSQL is a non-relational database system that does not require any fixed schema or avoid joins, and it is flexible to scale out. The NoSQL is the next generation database system where we used to store distributed data with the generous amount of data or some kind of data which is not related to each other. Many of the technology is used in this operation of big data and real term applications. Companies like Facebook, Twitter, Insta, Google, all are generating terabytes of data every day. So this NoSQL database is referred to as not only SQL, and this concept was introduced in the year 1998. NoSQL is open source and it has a horizontal scalability to add any commodity kind of systems that could be added. So NoSQL has a high range of technologies to organize a structured, unstructured, and distributed data values. So some of the examples of non-relational NoSQL databases includes your HBase, Oracle's database, then IBM Domino database, etc., where we know the famous database that is MongoDB, what we are going to study in detail. So NoSQL plays an important role in the growth of internet and in the organization of unstructured data. So whenever we talk about NoSQL, the data, whatever we store, is in the form of three categories: structured data, unstructured data, and semi-structured data. So further, we will be seeing in detail what are the types of NoSQL databases, how to deal, how to use MongoDB. Thank you.